Block 16. Same thing that I mentioned on the 12 there, Felipe. If you can switch your grips. So right hand on the door, left hand on Manuel. That'd be nice, so that you got, see the pressure on that grip there? So you're just lightly dropping onto that and going. A little bit of an over rotation from the back pair. And you can kind of see it from the start. The back pair is already rotating a little bit ahead of the front, and it's moving this way just a fraction. I would say back pair could be a little more patient. Seems to be taking a little while to get settled in. Fred, just be careful, keep your hips down please, otherwise it accelerates the rotation. And it makes you feel, from Marconi, like you're pulling away from him. So I don't know what's going on. So the video was stuttering a little bit. Let's just keep watching from here. Okay, look at the shape of this, guys. See how everyone's spine is parallel with each other. It's one of the few at the start where I've seen it like that. Looks like, well, we'll watch that on the later 16s. That was very good timing, guys. So the goals here, let me just run through the goals on block 16. Is this grip moves down, straight down the line. And you can just hang on to it just briefly. There we go, Manuel, very nice. Letting go now. There's our first target with the front pair just slightly ahead of the back pair. And then the position here, so Fred is just thinking as Marconi moves out, light inside pressure. Marconi does a kind of opens the door, head out, mellow head switch. At this point, Fred, all you can do is just gentle pressure sideways into Marconi, and Marconi the same for you. Gentle pressure sideways, not trying to make the catch happen, just let the catch come to you like you do. That's very nice. I'll just go through the techniques on the front. So Manuel, his center point, he's thinking his center point just a little bit back. We're not doing a full back move, it's just to make sure we don't go forwards of the center point with the piece at the rotation. So the grip's moving that way, thinking center point back, but obviously the legs are coming out 45. Anticipation, here we go nicely from Felipe. Keep looking this way, Felipe, excellent. Keep looking so that all the energy is on spinning the piece around its center point there. Great targeter between the two pieces. See how close the compressed pictures are. The front pair just slightly ahead. No head switch from Felipe, just wait until he comes around, and then there's Fred's grip right there. That was a perfect how to block 16, chaps. See what I mean by the angles? That's pretty shocking. I mean, they get there, but we should be arriving. Like we should be, especially from an M, we should be, like, it looks like Fred, you're backing up slightly. See that on the move 2. Manuel's wide. We are going out to in now, Felipe, good job. And then we eventually get to the right shape. But yeah, just a bit more quality on the builds, guys. Ooh, nice on the front as well. Cool. So it looks like a nice improvement through the session on the 16s, but I would still say a little bit more quality on the builds, guys. Okay, watch the levels as well. It was going out of time there.